studying 8th grade. I am learning robotics at Asterisk School of Robotics at Anna Nagar branch. Today I am going to present my project Blind Aspects. Visually impaired people face a lot of difficulties while traveling independently. They will not be able to recognize the objects near them, which can cause difficulties to them. It can be unsafe for them to travel indoors. So I designed blind aspects. This has an ESP32 camera, which senses the picture lively and sends to YOLO model running on a laptop. Then the object will be detected. At the same time, the ultrasonic sensor also measures distance and gives the output with the distance. In conclusion, blindness aspects connects AI and sensor tracking, assist visually impaired peoples. Thank you.